Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. My name is Ma'am Asia. I'm teacher of class KG from the Educator School. I will teach the science subject. The name of the book is Science Introductory Text and Activity Book. Open your book, students, and take out the page number 3. Yes, this is page number 3. Okay, take out the page number 3. I will summarize the previous lecture. You have read about living and non-living things. As you can see this page, on this page. Okay, you can see on this page. These are non-living things, and before the page is these are living things. Living things, I have told you the living things are those things that they can move, they can walk, eat, can breathe, can touch, can feel. And the living things are those things that they cannot move, they cannot breathe, they cannot touch, they cannot eat, and they cannot feel. Okay, today I will teach you. Yes, this is our exercise page. Today we will start this exercise page. So please open this page and hold a pencil. Write L in the box for living things. What is the meaning of L? L means living things. Okay, you can see the different picture. This is a monkey, this is a butterfly, these are woolen shirts, and this is a woolen cap, this is an ice cream. Okay, so you will find out the living things and write L in this block. Okay, monkey is living thing or non-living thing? Monkey is living thing because monkey can move, can eat, can breathe, can jump. Okay, can feel, can touch, can sleep. So write L in this block. Okay, L means living things. Monkey is living thing. Okay, so write L in this block. Butterfly is living thing or not? Butterfly is living thing. Yes, because butterfly can fly, can move, can breathe. Okay. Okay, the next picture is woolen shirts and woolen cap. Is this living thing? Think about it. No, this is non-living thing. So don't write L. Okay, don't write living thing. Don't write L in this block. So this is non-living thing. Leave it. Okay, this is ice cream. Is this living thing or non-living thing? This is non-living thing. Okay, monkey is living thing, so write L in this block, and the butterfly is living thing, so write L in this block. Done? Okay, the next exercise is exercise B. Write N in the box for the non-living things. Write N. N means non-living thing. Non-living thing are those things that they cannot move, they cannot breathe, they cannot eat. Okay, so the first picture is balloon. These are different balloons. Okay, beautiful coloring balloons. So balloon is living thing or non-living thing? Balloon can move? No, balloon cannot move. So write N in this block. This is non-living thing. Done? The next picture is parrot. Parrot is living thing or non-living thing? Parrot is living thing, not non-living thing. Okay, so leave this block. The next picture is car. You will find out the non-living thing pictures and then write N. Okay, car is non-living thing. Yes, car is non-living thing. So write N in this block. Tree is living thing or non-living thing? Tree is living thing. So leave this block. Don't write L or N in this block because write N in that box. They are non-living things. Okay, so we have done this page. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.